Hey there, today we're going to look at how to reset your Kenmore fridge. So let's get started. First, unplug the refrigerator. Over here, turn off the fridge by unplugging it from the wall socket and leave it unplugged for about 5 to 10 minutes to let the control board reset. After that, reconnect the power. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's getting power. You should hear the compressor or fan start running after a few seconds. Then reset using the control panel if your model has one. Press and hold the lock and adjust temperature buttons together for 3 to 5 seconds. Some models use options and reset filter or alarm and temperature down. The display will blink or beep once the reset is complete. Next, adjust the temperature settings. Set the fridge to 37 degrees Fahrenheit and the freezer to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, then wait a few hours for the temperature to stabilize. After that, reset the water filter indicator if needed by holding the filter reset button for 3 seconds until the light turns green or off. If the reset doesn't work, check the power supply, clean the condenser coils, and inspect the door seals for leaks. If it still doesn't cool properly, the issue might be with the control board, thermostat, or compressor, and you'll need professional service. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.